Hello everyone, this is an XR650L. This is how to time the counterbalance. You have to align the two punches. This one on the counter. If you take them off by error, just make sure you have them timed. Some people think these two are the holes. No, these two are just some holes to remove these gears. But no, the timing is these two punches. It'll go fine around and around. Yeah, but the timing has to be in between these two punches together. And then the gears, after you service them, this is how it's supposed to be looking. This one is actually bad. This is supposed to go like this, in between the holes. I was messing with it, everything, so I'm just make sure everything's timed out. This one is supposed to be like this. It goes in between. This is for everything to pop up when there's a shift in the gear. This is the shifter. Everything has to be aligning and moving freely. This is the main counter shaft. Okay, everything's good right here. Look at the notches. There's sometimes mark, like in the shifter right here. The original mark hasn't come off, so that's what it says. It's supposed to have this one. This one you can move it. But anyway, okay. So this is the timing for the split case. Right here. It's cleaned up already. That's a new gasket. Just make sure you keep everything clean and dust free to reassemble. Everything aligns. Alright, so this is how to time the main shaft and counter shaft for the piston for the XR650L. Thank you.